Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be doing our sinking funds for April, and I want to, like I said, welcome everybody back and to all the new viewers, and I hope you guys consider hitting the subscribe button down below. Okay, so I am doing a April challenge. Yes, an April challenge collaboration with TaragayNicole and Marquita 83, and basically we will not be using any sticker kits. As you guys probably know, I love using my budgeting sticker kits. I find them very helpful and functional and all that good stuff, but for April we've decided to do this challenge and use what we have in our collection, which I'm new to budgeting, so I don't have very much, so this is going to be very, very interesting. But I'm gonna take some items out, and we are going to do the best that we can. So let's go ahead and get into it. I have pre-planned a few things, so I think what I'm going to do is, this seems a bit long, so I'm gonna actually cut it. Not necessarily long, but wide. So these videos might be a little longer than normal, but hopefully you guys are okay with that. So I'm going to put a sticker here at the top. And then I'm going to put sinking funds in between there. So that's how it's going to look. And I'm going to put a couple of stars here and here. And we are going to write okay, that's just gonna have to do. The next we are going to be doing is, this is some washi that came from the sticker kit, or the fall something. What was it? The fall or spring collection or something like that. And I actually got a credit on my email actually earlier today or last night, saying that the quality wasn't the best, so they've decided to give me a $10 credit. And if you guys can see here, this orange one is not hitting on anything, so I can see why they would want to do that. I don't know, guys. How's this looking? Hopefully okay. All right, so we're gonna write the rest of this stuff, and we have
our categories, and then we have our beginning balance, then we have our plus, or minus, and then we're going to put ending.
And since I have colorful parkour pins, I might as well, use them, right, guys? So let's see what we got here. We have I'm probably going to go back and forth real fast so I can see what we have. So we have
car maintenance. Should I put a line? Should I put a line there? No. So we have car maintenance, house maintenance, tags, birthday, clothes, heat, Christmas, insurance. I'm going to put lawnmower because I don't know if I'm going to be done with this sinking fund. I'm going to change that to Lawn Mower Maintenance. We'll put YouTube, planner, doctor, and dentist. Okay.
Let's go ahead and draw our lines. This is the one I've been using because it's clear and I can see better. I'm fine with it. It's a little crooked, but it's okay. And the stickers that I'm using is from the Erin Conjuring Another Fun Way to Plan Your Day. I bought this at Staples last year, probably for like $2. It was on clearance. My Staples is getting rid of a lot of Erin conjuring stuff, so that's why I have that. Now we're gonna put another strip of washi down here to separate the weeks that I have. I like to put down my additions every week down, so that's what this is. So we're gonna use this same, actually that looks like it's moved, so I don't want it that low. Let's see, kind of like this. So I'll put week endings. Let's fix that. That's the best thing about these pens, is you can fix your mistakes. Okay, let's see. Week endings. And April does have 4 weeks, I want to say. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw our lines. I should have just went all the way down, but let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Uh-oh. Oh no. I need to move it up 1. We don't have enough room. I used too many spaces up here. How about I do this first? First I'm gonna write them down and then I'll put the line. X. So we're just gonna have to use our imagination, and this is gonna be our week endings. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do because I didn't have enough room. That's okay. And we're just gonna add them every week here. And there we have our sinking funds page. Because it's not the end of the month, we still have actually a whole nother paycheck to do. I just wanted to get us ready. I'm not going to be able to fill in the numbers, but as soon as I do, in my next sinking funds cash stuffing video, I will definitely be able to put these numbers in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. It is not a sticker kit. It is just a use what I have. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and it brings some inspiration to you not having to always buy stickers. Either way, thank you for spending a moment of your life with me. Until next time, guys. Bye.